Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. I am your English teacher of grade 3 from Darul School, Madinatul Hujaz campus, Golramore. Okay class, so today we are going to do part of speech, fourth part of speech, okay. So you can see here are some words we can use instead of nouns. You can see for myself, I can use I, me, my. For girl, I can use she, her, hers. For boy, he, him, his. And for more than two people, we can use they, we, us, or them. Okay? What are these words? What are these words? If I want to talk to Sarah, I am saying Sarah is a girl, Sarah is a good girl, Sarah is 12 years old, Sarah reads in class 5 or Sarah reads in Darul school. Okay, these all lines. So I have to say Sarah is my best friend. She is 12 years old. Instead of Sarah, like I am saying again and again, Sarah, Sarah, Sarah. Instead of Sarah, in second line, in second sentence, I have to use only she. I have to use she. Like Sarah is my best friend. She is 12 years old. She reads in class 5. She reads in Dare Arkam school. She is very intelligent. Okay. Same like Ali. Ali is my brother. Ali is 15 years old. Ali is in class 8. Ali is this. Ali is that. Instead of that, I can use only Ali is my brother. He is 12 years old. He is in class 5. He is very intelligent. Okay. Instead of Ali, I use he. Instead of Sarah, I use she. Same here. If there are more than two persons, I can use they, we, us, or, and them. Okay. What are these words called? These words are pronouns. These words are pronouns. Pronouns are the words that we use instead of nouns. Instead of nouns. You can see girl is noun, Sarah is noun, boy is noun, Ali is noun. But I can use pronoun instead of noun. Like for girl, for Sarah, I use the pronoun she. For Ali, for boy, I use the pronoun he. These are the words that we use instead of noun. You can see these all are pronouns. I, me, him, we, her, he, you, she. These all are nouns. For girls, we use she, her. For boys, we use he, him. Same. For more than two people, we use they, them. And if I said I and my friend, I and my friend, then I use the pronoun we. I use the pronoun we. Okay. Now you can see for boy, I can use he, him, his, himself. For girl, I use she, her, hers, herself. For animal and object like things or animals, I use it, its, itself. Okay. For animals, we use it, its, itself. And for group of people or group of animal or any more than two things, more than two people, we use they, them, theirs, themselves. Okay? So, for singular, for boy, we use he, him, his, himself. For girl, singular, she, her, hers, herself. For animal and object, it, its, itself, and group. More than two people, they, them, theirs, themselves. You can see here is a picture. These all words are pronoun. Pronoun is a word that is used in place of noun instead of noun. Now you can see its definition. Pronoun. Pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. Pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. For example, he, she, it, they, we, etc. Okay? These all are pronouns. Read it with me. Pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. Pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. Okay, dear students, we have done pronoun. I hope you understood. Now we will do fifth part of speech. We are going to do fifth part of speech. But before that, we will observe some pictures. You can see. Look at these pictures carefully. Here is a cat. Here is a sparrow. And here is a box. You can see their positions. Same here. It is a ball and here is also a box. You can see its position. Like, look at the first picture. Where is the ball? The ball is in the box. And in the second picture, the ball is on the box. In third picture, ball is under the box. In the fourth picture, a ball is next to the box. You can see here, where is the ball? A ball is behind the box. In next picture, a ball is in front of the box. And in the last picture, a ball is between the two boxes. Can you see its position? In all the pictures, a ball is showing its position. Where is the ball? You can also see this picture. Look at carefully. Okay. So ball is a noun. So ball is a noun and it shows positions. Ball is showing position. So this part of speech is preposition. This is preposition. It shows the position of nouns or pronouns. Okay. Now here is a noun, ball. It shows the position of noun. Preposition are the words that shows position of noun and pronoun. You can see here under, between, out and close to. You can say nearest to, in, inside, above, behind, on, in front of. In this picture, you can also see the position. In this picture also, you can see the position clearly. And in this one also. Okay. So, prepositions are the words that shows positions of nouns or pronouns. For example, in, on, under, next to, behind, in front of, and between. If you are standing nearest to the table, then you can say your position is nearest to. If you are standing behind the table, then your position is behind. If you are sitting on the chair, then your position is on. Okay? Preposition shows position of nouns or pronouns. You can see the positions. Okay, now look at its definition. Preposition. It shows the position of nouns or pronouns. For example, in, on, under, behind, etc. Preposition. It shows the position of nouns or pronouns. For example, in, on, under, behind, etc. Okay, read it with me. Preposition. It shows the position of nouns or pronouns. For example, in, on, under, behind. Okay, class. So today we learn pronoun and prepositions. You have to find out pronouns and preposition from unit number 1 and then write it in your notebook. Okay? And then send it to me. I hope you enjoy today's lesson, today's topic, and all of you understood. Okay, so take care till our next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.